everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to give you guys an update video on how it was going with me paying off a lot of my debt, how I was saving money. I did a video about 4 months ago called Let's Talk Finances, where I was going over different things that I was doing to try and save money. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on how it's going. It is actually going very, very well. I have been saving a lot of money by just cooking like I said I was and not eating out. By not going to Starbucks so much, I've been able to use alternative drinks. I have, I used to go 3 times a day, now I only go 1 time a day. I've found a way to make my own Starbucks drink. I've also been paying more to my debt every month so I can pay that down. And we're approaching June right now, so I have about 6 more months to make my goal. Every month, like I said, I've been sending my balance to my girlfriend. So it just makes me accountable, and I'm doing really well. So I think I'll be able to be debt-free by the time December rolls around, which is awesome. And I just wanted to give you guys just a quick little show and tell on how I make my green tea latte. So there are a lot of alternative methods to either making a Starbucks drink or just getting a cheaper drink or a different drink. So what I do is I have my Starbucks cup, and I purchased the green tea matcha powder that Starbucks uses. It's the same exact powder that they use. I purchased this off of eBay for about $35. And this is the soy milk that Starbucks uses as well. That's about $5. Now, this pack of green tea matcha is about halfway empty now. And this will last me probably another 4 months. I have been trying to lower the intake of this, but I do like maybe 1 or 2 drinks every week, sometimes more. But I've been able to get about 45 drinks just out of half of this package. So what I do is I fill up my Starbucks cup to about the 3rd line with the soy milk. I fill it up with ice, and then I put 3 or 4 teaspoons of the matcha, and that's how I get my green tea latte. So I've saved a lot of money by doing this. This bag costs $35, like I said. The matcha or the soy milk is about $5, and I've been able to get 40 to 45 drinks out of this. So I'm saving $200–300 every month just in Starbucks intake. So I think that's awesome. You guys can find different options. Like I said, I bought the matcha on eBay. So it's very easy, guys. It's very easy to save money. So I encourage you guys to try it and let me know how it goes. So I got a lot of requests to do a video on how I framed my TV. I do have footage from framing it, but it wasn't the best because I wasn't sure that I was going to film and post it. So once I was editing it, I didn't like how it was coming out. So I am redoing the whole video for you guys, and I want to do it in just a better quality, better show and tell, and how to. So please don't think that I am ignoring you guys when you guys are requesting and writing into and commenting. I am redoing the whole video, so it's a lot better for you guys. So please just bear with me, and I will get that video up pretty soon. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.